back to my channel. So ngayon, may pupuntahan tayo, alis tayo. Dahil 5 years ko na dito sa Vietnam, let's celebrate! Hindi, kakain lang kami, magpipizza with my friends. So, tingnan natin kung anong mga kaganapan. Baka medyo mag-cheers kaming konti, banding konti. No. Sama ko kayo. Kung hindi man ako makapag-video ng buo, baka yung mga photos ulit i-attach ko. So, tara.
Titingnan ko lang kung gaano siya talaga kalaki.
Rasa, tumali ka? Para may ano ka?
Ano?
Kuya, kasama sa vlog ko to.
Ay!
The vloggers. Rasa, panoorin mo yung vlog ni Alani para magkapera. Oo! Di ako na bahala sa mga ganito sana.
24 hours ako lagi nanonood. Yan!
Nako! Di nga nadadagdagan oras ko eh.
Ako hindi nanonood sa Alani.
Okay lang.
Where's the selfie stick?
Selfie stick?
Yeah.
I lost it. Next time I will buy. I include this for my vlog. So you say hi to my vlog.
Vlog?
Yeah.
Hello! Alani's vlog. I'm Boss Vlog.
The Mafia Boss. Ano đây? 5 người.
You should choose like this one, right?
Yeah.
Two?
Yes.
Can I hike on?
Pasta.
Pasta?
Happy anniversary! Ay, hindi pala pwede kantahin yung broken anniversary.
Hindi pwede.
Pasta.
Carbonara.
Carbonara 이거?
Carbonara. Ito na lang.
Carbonara 이거 같은데?
Này.
Ito.
Một cái.
This one.
Ah, okay, this one.
cái này một cái. Cái này một cái.
Pizza.
Wait, pizza here
The
also.
grandson is very cute today. Why? Why are you very cute today?
No, stupid.
He will pay this today.
No, he only pay there.
Okay.
One Hawaiian.
Do you like
This one Hawaiian, yes.
Choose Hawaiian?
One Hawaiian for me and then others, I don't know.
I watch it every day. Bakit proud mo?
This one. This one.
Nanonood ka ba ng K-drama? Alam mo ba nanonood mo? Ang dami customer mo.
Hawaiian is including pineapple.
Pineapple, yes. And then you
I
choose.
want meat lover.
Hindi yung may rubber na sa gilid.
There is a rubber band and everything. Meat lover or the Supreme?
Supreme.
Supreme.
Basta may Hawaiian.
And then,
Where's Hawaiian?
and then,
Hawaiian! This
Where?
one! Ah, no. This one! This one, you order one.
Hawaiian.
And then another.
and then the Supreme.
How big? Small, medium, large.
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 Hi, Yarme, how are you?
Thick.
How are you?
Thick.
With cheese, right? Cheese crust.
Do you
The
think you
Tomai, the
last
Tomai cheese.
5 years?
Cheese.
Yeah.
Really?
And she wants to.
Yes, you have to stay here until 10 years.
Shrimp.
Ay, gusto mo to?
I want the Supreme.
Ayan nga, gusto mo.
Shrimp.
Supreme.
Supreme, not shrimp.
I said you were cute today, but I take it back.
Where's the Supreme?
This one, Supreme.
Supreme, man.
Are you sure? I don't know. Super deluxe.
Super deluxe.
Yes.
Oh yes, this one. Large also.
Large and cheese. Small. High pizza.
Drink.
Oh, are you satisfied with your work?
Drinks.
Really?
What drink? I don't know what to say. What drink?
Already drunk.
Below Suki?
I don't know.
Milo. Below?
Milo.
Zelin. Coke or beer?
No beer.
Beer? Or beer?
Just order.
And then yung pitcher, no?
This one, iced tea.
Wait. Suha.
And then beer.
Beach?
One pitcher and then beer.
Beer also?
Yes. We will celebrate, right?
Beer talk.
Kung pa beer?
Beer Lona.
We're really different country and
Heineken, you also drink beer?
Yes.
Yes.
Nam beer Heineken. Both iced tea,
Pitcher.
One.
Yeah. Dessert? No need?
This is first. And then if you want some more, you can order. Can I tell?
Okay, I check.
Pasta first.
Just have one
10 pieces.
5 pieces, 10 pieces. Yeah.
another
Two for mine. Yeah. Quite one. Because I had two pizza. Hawaiian. Supreme deluxe. Super deluxe. Yeah. Same large, same including pizza.
and
One pitcher.
Yeah.
Okay.
you want 15 minutes?
15 minutes. You serve beer first.
33.10. We can take out. So, take out. Because you're rich. Okay. When we almost finish, I order this one. Later, I will order again. I have two. So before I use the iPhone 5s using only holding and texting. This one is playing game. After that, this one iPhone 5s is very slow. So I change this one with watching the Korean Galaxy A52. Because of Korean TV. Korean TV.
It doesn't happen.
Only this one. TV offer. TV app. It can even Galaxy.
You order another beer.
No.
10 kasi dito.
Temperature to 5 pesos here. I think
You think what? You cannot eat all. Oh, smart. Sometimes the big boys are also smart.
you know.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know what's that.
Jonah, you look so sleepy.
Who's he drink of beer? I know him. Always like that, and then when he come back home, find other group or betrayer.
Find again
Betrayer. Ito.
Bili ka pa daw.
Order pa. Emoy, tem 5 cái này.
Năm đó. Ồ. Hết tỏ rồi. Where is other party place?
You choose.
No, before you don't remember. Before you were there.
The party? What? Huh?
Where?
I don't know.
When you remember that hotel and then eating
Like dancing party?
yeah.
Really? Oh, they did? Where?
I don't remember.
2 years ago.
Maybe you go with other group.
When we go there?
No, you go also.
Yeah, I said we go.
Last time, the anniversary.
I don't know all Philippines.
Sa Ace.
Already closed.
Already closed.
Why?
COVID.
Why don't close here? Same.
No, this one is big.
COVID.
Sa Ace. Last time, party.
Ganda mo.
Po.
Có. Okay. Huh?
Relax, Sherman. Nabag ko.
Company complaint. Not cool.
Complain mo yun.
Kukuha na. Susunod na.
Why you asking?
He's the boss.
Be ashamed. He is the boss.
Ta.
Kakaya yung mga muscles mo.
Nobody matters. She's like a girl. There are people that they have to drink again so they can sleep. If only small, they cannot sleep.
Ayun na nga guys. So, nakauwi na tayo. So, yun, kita nyo naman, medyo na-enjoy ko naman yung hindi naman pala medyo. Actually, na-enjoy ko talaga siya. Matagal kaming hindi lumabas, matagal kaming hindi nagkita-kita. So, ano pa nga, medyo naging failed pa nga ng konti dun sa first place na pinuntahan namin kasi yun yung favorite place namin. Kaso wala, hindi available yung mga pagkain gusto namin. So, lumipat kami doon nga sa pizza company. So, yun naman. Salamat sa panonood, sa pagsama ko. So, sana more years pa tayong mag-celebrate dito or hindi naman, maging safe lang tayo palagi. Yun lang po. Salamat sa panonood. So, pa-like po, pa-subscribe, and share na rin po, and comment na rin po. Salamat! Bye-bye!